Here's a 2015 GMC Sierra 1500. Comfort, convenience, power, and performance. For most trucks, these are ideals. For this truck, it's an undeniable reality. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather split bench seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, electronic shift on the fly, and V8 engine. Of the Sierra, Truck Trend explains, the Vortec 4800 winds through the power band quickly, setting up the transmission for a precise shift. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Another reason to choose Bob Pulte Chevrolet.
What's the Pulte price? It's my promise to you that we'll not lose your business because of price. We'll do everything in our power to let nothing stand between you and the new car or truck you're looking for.